There's a great new feature in the web app for Office 365 and Outlook 2019 web app, and that is we can download our email using the web app instead of just using Microsoft Outlook for offline use. So if you're not always going to be online and you want to read your email offline, or in case you are worried that you're going to be disconnected from the internet and you still want to be able to read your email, then we can do that. So click the gear at the top after logging in and click the offline settings. Now we want to check the box that says turn on offline access, and it's going to give us a message saying, hey, your email is going to be stored on the computer so you can access it without a network connection. That's exactly what we want to do. So we'll click on yes, and if you see a message from your browser that asks for more storage, click yes. Offline access needs additional space to work correctly. Go ahead and click next. And the best way to reach Outlook when you're offline is to select it from the favorites. So we're going to add it to our favorites. So we'll click next. And now we are all set. Click OK. And OK again. Now if we want, we can also go in and select specific folders, because by default, only the inbox and draft folders are always going to be synced for offline use. Click the plus and say, hey, I also want to have the new business folder synced. And we'll click the plus again, and I want to have my notes folder synced. So all those folders, including our inbox and the drafts folders, are all going to be set up for offline use. Now we'll click OK. And you don't really see this happening because it's all happening in the background. But right now, the email is being downloaded to a special file on my computer, and it will be available next time I go to log in case I'm not connected to the internet. I can create email, I can send email, it just won't go anywhere. I won't be able to receive any new email, but I will be able to see all my old email. And that's how you set up email for offline sync using Office 365 and the Outlook web app 2019.